Hey guys, Zach here with Savage Traveling. I'm out at another free campsite here in Ohio. This one is called Hook Lake. It's part of the AEP campground. There's like 6 or 8 campgrounds out here that AEP own and operate and upkeep for people. And this is the Hook Lake one. It's Campground A, I believe. We're at the back, free wood, if you can see that. Pretty freaking cool. Big old planks. Just, go down there. Bring them back to your camp. I'm gonna walk down here and show you guys a little bit more of what goes on here. I mean, it's a Monday evening. There might be the caretaker and one other person way in the back. Excuse me. But this is a beautiful place. I imagine on the weekends, more people come, and I bet this place fills up. But on a Monday night, guys, in the end of July, it's the place to be if you like your peace and quiet and solitude. Last night we stayed at a campground about 2 miles that way. That was Sand Hollow, I believe. Really nice place. You should check out my other video about it. I'm gonna link it down below. Really nice place too. Like, we camped right on the water. Now this one has a pond up here. But it's just a little small. I wasn't going to put the kayak in. It's quite small for me. But it's a fishing pond, and it's only for like 15-year-old children and under. So if you come here for fishing, you're going to have to go. There's a gravel road right across from here. There's several ponds that way. Okay. But like I said, I'm just going to give you a quick view up here, and when I get to the lake, we're going to. I'll show you a little bit. All right, guys, this is the front of Hook Lake. Well, Hook Lake is right here on the left of the actual lake. Yeah, here it is, fishing in this area restricted to persons 15 years of age or younger. So keep that in mind. They got porta pots. I think this is just here. Water, potable water. I had a nice drink earlier. I didn't have to. Yeah, but there's the wood pile. But yeah, free planks, man. You can't beat it. They burn. I ain't gonna complain over free stuff. They burn. But this is it. This is what you see as you're going by the road. That is, I don't know what road that is. I didn't bring my map. But you got a little shelter house. Like I said, there's Hook Lake. Really small, but for fishing for the kids, I bet the kids kill it. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna give you a shot above real quick. can see, guys, Hook Lake is pretty neat. You know, you can't beat the price for free. You get free wood, free facilities. This place even has a camp, you know, or a playground and a little fishing pond for the kids. Tons of camping back here. Well, I mean, not there, but back there, and then all the way back there. So plenty of room. And then plus there's like 6 other campgrounds out here to enjoy. 14 days at a time, then you can just move campgrounds. It's like they're really nifty. They really got something cool going here. So if you all are in the area and you want to do some free camping, check out the AEP camps out here in Southeast Ohio, because it's a really cool place and I've enjoyed my time here and I know you guys will too. So peace.